Welcome to the K&D Enterprise channel. The best way to support me is to subscribe, so please subscribe. Hello everyone, here we are. I wanted to go through some safety tips here, especially for hand capturing your drone, but I have a few other pointers. Just to be safe, there are circumstances where you may have to hand capture your drone. It's not recommended, it's not probably very safe, so you have to do this at your own risk. But I'm going to tell you a few things here. First of all, I'm flying off my deck, and so my drone's on the deck rail here. Now, when you take off, you need to be at least 8 feet away from the drone, because, for example, if one of these propellers, for whatever reason, comes off, the drone might rotate and actually hit you. That wouldn't be good. And secondly, when you're going to capture your drone, which I'll demonstrate, you always want to capture it above your head. Never come in flying your drone at eye level. Never, ever. Okay, so let's go ahead. We'll take off. You should make sure your controller is set in the P mode. That means the P mode. That's funny. Anyways, basically it means that you have satellite positioning, so make sure it's ready to go. GPS is in the green, and hopefully you can see that, and your home point is set. So let's take off. We'll do a little circle around, and I'll show you how to capture it properly. Okay, so I'm just moving back behind the camera, get a little distance away from your drone, and we'll take off. Okay, now, before I get any closer, so I'm going to be about 10 feet above my head here. And one thing that I really recommend doing, once you get in a little bit closer, rotate the drone around and come in basically in reverse. And the reason I suggest that, if something goes wrong, it's just natural, I guess, instinct, unless you're really a capable flyer or a lot of experience, it's natural to press forward to move it away from you. So if you come in backwards and something happens, you know, maybe there's a wind gust and you panic or something, and you move the drone away, you're going to press forward. And so you don't want to, you know, you don't want to be facing this way, coming in, and then a wind gust suddenly blows the drone towards you. And in a panic, you press forward, because, you know, you'll end up maybe hitting yourself in the face and, you know, removing your eyeballs while you're at it. So turn it around, and let's back it in here. Again, I'm about 10 feet above my head. Back it in. Okay, and I feel it's in a good position here. So I'm going to move over, and I'm going to grab this drone. So when you grab it, grab whichever leg is comfortable, hang on tight, keep it above your head until the propellers have completely stopped. Okay, and there you have it. That's basically the safe way to capture your drone if you have to, if you can't land on the ground. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Come back, like, subscribe, click on the bell for notifications. I'm trying to do a video every day on different aspects of the Phantom 4 products. And go from there. Take care. Have a great day.